to Sweden and Swedish people. Okay. Okay. So here you go. People should work on a clear way basis. So obviously, if people figure it out, it's better. But like this is what like this is what I'm supposed to do, like pushing you in elevating yourself. Okay. And so I told you many times that basically I play the role of a third party. If so if basically there will come a point where you won't need a third party if everything is clear and you know how to do everything yourself. You do not need a third party. That's my goal. Okay. But obviously I'm not going to disappear if this is realized. What I could do next in work on innovation and basically adding more to like the two other parties. Okay. You see. So first, the job is obviously to correct a lot of the things that a lot of the bad things that were happening, and then going to like add things if you want. Okay. So here's how I see the platform. So the platform is about basically removing the bad, you see, in the relationships, and after that pushing for the innovation. Okay. Pushing for the growth. And so you might say, okay, what if I don't want to push growth? If you don't want to push growth, you just not work with the platform. Okay. So here you go. Obviously, I want you to be more capable. Okay. If you are less capable by like working with me, basically we need to like make an explanation, like we need to improve the things. Okay. I think it's not possible. Basically I've been giving a lot of information, so basically it's not possible. So you might say, Gauthier, I'm living the same shit as you, so I'm watching your shit, I'm living the same shit as you, and so I'm less capable. So is it my fault? No. So basically it's not because of me. Okay. So here you go. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully we can build a better world. Really want that. Okay. I feel like it's a turning point because you see a lot of the AIs are hidden, and so it's really needed. Okay. So that's it. Obviously, really. So I think So I don't want to make a mistake on that. Linus is from Sweden, no? No, Finland. Okay. Sorry. You see. Sometimes I make mistakes like that. So you see, this is interesting maybe. So in Finland, so how does Finland bode with all of this? Because basically Linux has so much okay, so it makes sense. So Finland is Christian, so it makes sense. And how does the growth goes in Finland? So Finland growth. Okay. Between 0.7 returning to growth. Okay, nice. Obviously, I want everyone to go, guys. So, okay. Okay, that's cool. So sorry, sorry Linux, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Sometimes I do things like that. So often they are transforming things to me. So they are transforming things in my head. But basically, all the logical thinking and the pattern recognition though is fine. It's just like the words like this. So yeah. Great. Great. So nothing else to say, I think. No, not more to say. So I was just searching my mind if I had more stuff to say, but no. Okay, so in Finland, they speak also Swedish. Okay. Okay, so I was not completely off. You see? And who lead Sweden? So you see, everything about power, I do not participate. So you see, I'm more about ideas. So Ulf Kristersson. État unitaire. Okay, with so centre droit. Okay. Okay, démocrate. Okay, that's nice. Partenaire de coalition en charge notamment de la santé. Ouais, ok. Yes, I get it. Yeah, you see. It's parti conservateur du Premier ministre modéré. Ok. So nice. hopefully with all of what I'm saying and I'm sharing, hopefully we can build a better world. I hope so. Um, okay. Six ministères. Okay, so okay, different parties have are in different like part of the government. Wow. So this is wow. This is new. Okay. Honestly, this is something that that's interesting. Honestly. Um, okay. So not going to going to focus on my project. The problem is that you see I cannot go forward. It's crazy the number of problems that they're making on my machines. But I have to. If I want to do this, I have to. You see. Okay. The king, Gustav, is purely representative. Okay. So I think like the monarchies all moved to hidden things, and it's weird because so you see, I go to the US, which is not hidden, which is supposed to not be hidden, and I go through a lot of hidden shit. See, so it's crazy. But yeah, the obviously. So obviously, when they say the king work in a representative way, it's not true. Okay, so here you go. So it's not only in Sweden, guys. It's in in every country, I think so. So because of all the hidden things that I was able to get, I think that the kings never so are not representative at all. Okay. Honestly, I want all of this to be clear. Why honestly? Why are we not making things clear? So I think the so honestly, I want to go forward on my project. Huh? They so watch the last video stream. They fucked up my my SSH server. So you see. So basically, like I think something with like a hidden power and like a public power was created, but you see like all the problems that come out of it. So too many problems come out of it. So maybe the king's power like can be made in a clear way, and the interactions so with like the government, people working for the king and things like that could be clear, you see. So you go. So I don't want to it's just some ideas. Obviously I've been a victim of hidden things also in the US and also in France. So you see, it has nothing to do with a country with a crown. You see, so So here you go. Um, um, okay, but there's hidden things in every country. Uh, Obviously, the crown power, I think, depend a lot on the king, the king and the queen. So if the king and the queen have good thinking, um, and a good moral, good thinking, and wanna like chancing toward the better, I think you see that that's good. If the king and the queen have a bad side, you see, like that's not good. So depends a lot on the king and the queen, obviously. So here you go. So in the US, you see, hidden things are part of like Christianity. So like all the different like leaders of churches and of all the power regulating health. Um, so this is usually unknown. You see, so here we go. I really like the fact that in 1950, around 1950 in Sweden, people like could live religions apparently without any repercussion. That's what was written. So I don't know exactly if that was really applied or not, but I really like this fact. So obviously, just think about it, guys. It's better if people can leave religion and come back, or leave like they can. It's better if people have the choice of either leaving. Sometimes maybe they could come back. You see, maybe they could leave. You see, so it's better because basically, think about it. Like through this way, basically, you are able to basically improve yourself. If you lose people, you just improve yourself. If you earn people, then not in a bad way, then you are better. You see? So it allows you to improve yourself. And you're going to say to me, Gauthier, like you've been working so much, it has not worked for you, my guy. Like obviously people organized, so people organized against me, so like what do you want me to do? It's like you see, you're in a place and there's 20 people and basically you want to do good, like you talk to people and things like that, and like nobody want to talk to you. Like what are you supposed to do? You see? So you cannot do anything. So it's the same with a lot of the things that were happening. So obviously I'm not isolated. I talk to a lot of people, to the neighbors, to I go to the gym, I talk to people, you see. But what I mean is, just think about what I said. If people are organized, so if every people you want to like work with organized against you, what can you do? You see, you cannot do anything. So you go. So yeah, I think that's what I wanted to say. Um, hmm. So going to look into this SSH server problem. So going to add 2-3 hours to what I wanted to do, but you see, like I have to. Obviously, never going to not work for the future, and never going to not work for myself. So, because the whole project is about improving capacities. So, obviously, there's one condition to that. So obviously, I've been improving my capacities. You see, I have 300 hours of video. You see, this is capacity. I have more oral speaking ability. I have more things, but so you can see my capacity improved in a lot of ways, but basically my revenue, my real revenue, has been declining. And so you can guess that people have been organizing against me. Okay. So a lot of things have been, so I repeat in another way, a lot of things have been improving about me. My revenue has been decreasing, and so you know that it's people organizing against me. Okay. So So I think what happened in England also is that they made a lot of English people alcoholics, okay, to like control them and basically fuck them up, okay. To be really clear, I think this is so I'm not sure about this because I did not look extensively, but it's the pattern of how they are like this is how they are this is how they are what you see, they block me. This is how they are manipulating people. So this is not exactly what I wanted to say, but anyway, this is how they are manipulating people, so making them drink. And apparently English people have a like reputation of drinking, and so I think they did that to people to reduce their capacity. Okay. So here we go. So how did alcohol consumption in England, for example? Okay, it has improved. Non-drinker. Okay, non-drinker has been. Okay, it has been decreasing. Okay. Okay. It stayed. Apparently, stayed. Okay. So it stayed. Apparently. So I don't know if this is a reader, but. Okay, no. Okay. It falls a lot. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it froze a lot. Beer has been decreasing now. You see that's fair. Beer has been decreasing. Wine, and in France it was the opposite. So you see, it's still a fight, France against England. So as beer has been decreasing in England, in France it got up. Okay. 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 Apparently lowest since 90s. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So again, I think like keeping this culture of meeting together and things like that is good. You see, like keeping the culture of meeting together and keeping the culture of sometimes like letting your mind go, I think is somewhat good if you can control it and not affect your life, not having it affect your life. I think this is really good. But basically some people cannot control themselves. This is a problem. So here you go. Here we go. What I have to say about this. I had this thought. So you see, I don't know if this is true. But it could be true. So that's why I'm saying it. Okay. I don't know if the health decreased because of alcohol. Smoking status. Do we have by historical data or not? I mean, we can look at we could look at like obviously the age. So you see, it made a comeback in the. So honestly, so if this is controlled and like you do not get addicted by it, it's okay. But I honestly so you see, thanks to my experience, I can say that if you want to work on hard things, like you need to not be addicted to a substance. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that. Okay. So yeah. But obviously, if you wanna like have fun sometimes, it's fine. So you see, um, I could you see go to a party, but I don't think you see I'd have it. It will have the same effect. So you see, because of everything, you see, it wouldn't have the same effect. So you see, it was good when I was like having parties at the time, but you see, like this obviously this has been killed for me. So you go. But yeah. This has been killed because of all of this. You see. So each time basically I drink some alcohol, I think about like all the people fucked over. You see, I think about like I think about some people I've seen that drank too much. You see, I see like people fucking up their lives and sometimes fucking up their countries. You see, and so it, honestly it makes me really sad. So so you go. But so if I'm in a good mood with good people, I think it will be okay. But it's just yeah. Sometimes I think about that, and it's you see, it's killing me. So here you go. Honestly. So each time I'm going forward, like they make unwanted big problems on my computer. So it's tiring. So each time I so basically it's like, you see, if you try to work on some things and like everything in your house changes, you're like, whoa, let's go, I'm not going to work on that, you see. And so this is what's happening. Basically I work on something on my computer, everything else changes. I'm like, oh, you see. So like obviously in a bad way, not in an improved like better way. Like they make problems on my computer, you see. So here we go. So it's like, imagine you're working on something and like just imagine you're working on something in your house and somebody like break a window. You see, you're like, wow, fuck this shit, you see. So this is what's happening to me. Okay,